is a systematic way to deconstruct images and use them for your own creative endeavours. You can use completely random images or tailor them, and you can mix them up with pages from relevant media from target audience titles or your clients' communications. So here's how to do it. You write the challenge onto the top of a piece of paper, and then you look at a selection of different images, changing them every minute or so, and then moving on to the next picture. Try to give the picture a caption if you can, and write that alongside a set of descriptive words, anything that you notice about the picture. This might be your observations, reactions, feelings, thoughts about the picture. So if I'm doing this for a group, I like to do this with around 10 different images, either showing them on a screen for around 30 seconds, or better still, creating a gallery so that people can move around like we are here in the museum today and look at the images. Then, working individually, make connections between what you've written and your creative challenge at hand. After a few minutes working alone, pair up and ask each other to share interesting ideas and connections that you've made and build on each other's ideas. You can, of course, then share these with a wider group and continue to collaborate. This is an example of using random stimulus to help you make connections. We've talked about using visuals here, but you can also use objects to do the same exercise.